Okay, class 3 students. Today also I am going to teach you mathematics. This video is on mathematics. I will start chapter 3 from your book. Uh, Go to page number 39. Exercise 3.2. The very easy subtractions are there. Exercise 3.2, very easy subtractions are there. I would request you to do all the subtractions all at once and submit it through WhatsApp. All the 16 sums that I can see, this is 16 subtractions that I can see on page number 39. For helping, I will help you with one. I am doing one subtraction in front of you so that it will help you. Always write ones, tens, hundreds and thousands on the top and then start your subtraction. Do not start your subtraction before writing ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So let me do the first one. Number 1. So ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Underneath it, I will write 9,348. 9,348. And beneath it is written 5,329. What will you have to do? You'll have to subtract. You will have to subtract. Fine. Now start from the ones place. Above it is given 8 and below there is 9. Above it is given 8, below 9. So you have to borrow 1 from here, from the tens place. 1 tens, that means 10. From the tens place, you have to borrow 110. That means 110 means 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 minus 9, you will write what? 18 minus 9? 9. Isn't it so? So what is left here? What is left here? 3. 3 tens. আগে 4 tens ছিল। এখন একটা টেন্স চলে যাওয়ার ফলে এখানে 4 টেন্স এর জায়গায় 3 টেন্স হয়ে গেছে। তাহলে 3 টেন্স থেকে 2 টেন্স, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So I will write 1 beneath it. Clear? Now, in the hundreds place, you see 3 in the top, 3 at the bottom. So 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. It's very easy. Now let's go to the thousands place. 9 above, 5 under. So 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. It's very easy. You can write 4. So what is the answer? 4019. In this way, you will do all these mathematics from 1 to 16. Let's go to the next page. No, not 16. You do homework from till 24. 24, I think. One I have done. From 2 to 24, you do your homework and submit to my WhatsApp account. Now let's go to B. B section. Here the subtractions are given like this: 4, 859 minus 3669. So what will you have to do? You will have to arrange it in order, isn't it so? So how will you arrange it in order? Again, you write thousands, then hundreds, then tens, and then ones. From the right hand side, it is right hand side from ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. And beneath it, you write 4859, and even beneath it, write 3669. And then draw a line and do the subtraction. This way, you can do all the maths from B. So, your homework, what is your homework? Complete section B and submit it. Very easy. Remember to submit all these things. Muniba, Nitisha, Shoebuddin, এবং আরো যারা দুজনে রয়েছে সিমরান এবং নেহাল, everybody must submit these works to my WhatsApp number. Now let's go to C, the section C. Okay. In section C, what is given here? Find the difference between the numbers. You have to subtract. But how will you have to subtract? You will have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger one. এর মানে কি? এর মানে ছোট নাম্বারটা সব সময় বড় নাম্বারটার থেকে মাইনাস করবে। Subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. সব সময় সাবট্রাক্ট কিরকম করবে? ধরো এইটা হচ্ছে বড় নাম্বার, আর এটা হচ্ছে ছোট নাম্বার। তাহলে ওপরে সবসময় ওপরে কি থাকবে? ওপরে সবসময় বড় নাম্বারটা থাকবে আর নিচে সবসময় ছোট নাম্বারটা থাকবে। এরকম ভাবে তোমাদেরকে সাজিয়ে নিতে হবে। ক্লিয়ার? লেটস গো টু আ সাম। একটা ম্যাথমেটিক্সে যাই। I am going to number 2. Number 2. C2. Subtract 644 and 4328. 644 and 4328. Now you see which one is bigger? 644 is bigger or 4328 is bigger? কোনটা বড়? Obviously 4328 বড়। তাহলে এটা আমরা উপরে দেব আর নিচে এটার নিচে দেব হচ্ছে 644, তাই তো? এই সাজানোটা কিন্তু তোমরা কেউ ভুল করবে না, অনেকে করো সেই জন্য বলে দেওয়া হচ্ছে। Now I will write that thousands, always write it, hundreds, tens and ones. So which one is bigger? 4328. 4328. Okay. Now write 644. 644. This 4 belongs to the ones place. This 4 belongs to the tens place. and this 6 belongs to hundreds place. So I will write from the right hand side. 4. This 4 comes here under the ones place. This 4 comes here under the tens place, and before that it comes 6 with under the hundreds place. Clear? Clear or not? Fine. এই লেখাটা একটু এই 4টা একটু দূরে চলে গেছে। যাই হোক, আমরা এইবারে কি করব? What will we do? We will subtract. We will subtract. Eight minus 4. 8 in ones place 8. Ones place 8 minus 4. The answer will be 4 here. Now in the tens place you see 2 above and 4 under. So you will have to borrow from hundreds place. 100 you will have to 1. So you borrow 1. Fine. So what will be here? 12. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Now when you borrow 1 from there, there is only 2 here and 6 under. So we'll have to borrow 1 from there. 12 minus 6 equals to 6 and 3 is there, 3 is there. Now do it of your own. তোমরা নিজেরা ম্যাথটা করে নাও। Okay, completed. So you are asked to do your homework. What is your homework? What is your homework? Your homework is to complete C, section C. Complete section C and send it to my WhatsApp account. Clear? Now I will go to exercise 3.3, the story sums. I will go to the exercise 3.3 to the story sums. একটা একটা করে আমি বলে যাচ্ছি। Fine. Number 1 question. I'm discussing it. A shopkeeper earned, that means earned মানে রোজগার করেছে, rupees 5078 and spent, খরচ করেছে, spend মানে খরচ করা, 3794 in a month, এক মাসে। So read it again. A shopkeeper earned 5078, earned মানে আয় করেছে, পকেটে এসেছে, and spent 3794 মানে এটা সাবট্রাক্ট হবে, in a month. How much money is left with him? দেখো এই অঙ্কটা বইতে করে দিয়েছে। You will have to subtract, you will have to subtract rupees, you will have to, what will you do? Subtract. You will have to subtract 3794 from 5078. তোমরা যেন উল্টোটা করো না, করতে যেও না, তাহলে যদি ওপরে তোমরা 3794 লেখো আর নিচে 5078 লেখো তাহলে অঙ্কটা ভুল হয়ে যাবে। কেননা তোমাদের সবসময় বড় নাম্বারটা খুঁজে বার করতে হবে। ওয়ান্স, টেন্স, হান্ড্রেডস, থাউজেন্ডস, প্রত্যেকটা প্লেস ভ্যালু দেখে সেই যেটা বড় সেটা ওপরে বসবে, যেটা ছোট সেটা নিচে বসবে। এইভাবে তোমাদের সাবট্রাকশন গুলো করে যেতে হবে। আই এম গোয়িং টু দ্য নেক্সট ওয়ান, নাম্বার 2. Little Bo Peep. Bo Peep is the name of a boy. Lost 976 sheep. Lost মানে হারিয়ে ফেলেছে। 976 খানা ভেড়া হারিয়ে ফেলেছে। If she had, oh sorry, Little Bo Peep is a girl. If she had 2190 sheep in the beginning মানে প্রথমে লিটল বো পিপের কাছে ছিল 2190 sheep, সে তার মধ্যে থেকে হারিয়ে ফেলেছে, she lost 976 sheep. So how many is left with him? What will you do? You will have to subtract from the larger number. You will have to subtract 2190 minus 976 equals to your answer. You will have to write the answer in words. Little Bo Peep has this many sheep. Clear? Let's go to the third question. A milkman who sells milk carried 1827 bottles of milk in a truck. 259 bottles broke means ভেঙে গেছিল. How many bottles remain? So you will have to subtract. Always subtract the smaller number from the larger number. 1827 minus how many were broken? 259, and you will find out your answer. Do it of your own, and always write the answers in words. Always write the answers in words. Now I am going to the next page. Question number 10. Question number 10. What is written there? A train can hold 2348 people. একটা ট্রেনের মধ্যে 2348 people থাকতে পারে on Sunday. 1679 people traveled by the train. On a Sunday is a holiday, you all know. 1679 people traveled by the train. Now the question is, how many more could have traveled in the train? How much more could have traveled? আর কতজন যেতে পারতো? Seats ছিল 2348, গেছে 1679. So as usual, you will have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. That means 2348 minus 1679, and you get the answer. Yeah. Let's go to the 11 one. Number 11. By how much? কতটা দিয়ে is 879 less than 2068? 879 is how much less than কতটা ছোট? How much less? কতটা ছোট? So এটা জানতে চাইছে. So you will have to subtract 2068 minus 879 and write your answer like this. 879 is dash much smaller than 2068. Okay, then you will get the full marks. Achha, here comes the homework. HW. What is your homework? This section, the complete. Just a minute. Exercise 3.3. Complete exercise 3.3 and submit. Clear? Is it clear? Okay. Thank you so much. The next day I will complete this chapter and go to chapter 4. Do this homework and submit it soon. Thank you so much.